here we are.
Here we is.
We're bowling the doubles tournament tonight. Mikey and I, Derek and Homisawage, and then all these other good bowlers that you guys see in the parking lot. We got Nick and Mitch over there. Got Andrew over here. We got a lot of balls, wow. Let's go inside.
I get to meet Kyle Bart.
Derek's meeting all of his heroes all in one weekend.
What's up, Kevin? I mean, Kyle, right?
Kyle, yes.
I can't tell if he did that on purpose or...
Hey, Mikey.
It's Kevin, actually.
All right, so you filming for us today?
Sure.
Is that the plan?
Sure,
I think Hanzo's gonna be here too, so you guys can split the duty if you want.
Cool.
All right, so we're at the first event of the 10K weekend. I'm bowling with Mikey. We're bowling doubles. It's like 4 games. We're not in for a whole lot of money. Combined, we're in for $760. So we're gonna get back on this expenses thing. We're in for $760 for just the tournament so far.
What's up, Tang brothers?
What's up? We're gonna hand the camera off to our buddy Kyle Barr, and he's gonna be doing some filming today. So if it's really bad, you can blame him. Game 1 update, had 250, Mikey had 190, for 453 I think. That's not a good game right now. There's a lot of big ones. Seeing a lot of 550s, a lot of 300s. They're not hard. Mikey had some struggles with ball choice. Couldn't get his balls to pins the right way. I wrapped a 10-second ball in the 10th. That one's gonna be pretty expensive. But we got 3 more games. Hopefully we get a good back 3. We got brackets 1 through 3 and 2 through 4. So, see what we can do. Scoring update, Mikey shot 288, and I struck like 4 times for 210. But I hit the pocket every time. But when we bowl these house shot tournaments, not good enough.
Hello.
What's up? How are you, Greg?
What are you plus, 120?
70. Not as good as we would like.
Struggling.
Yeah, actually.
I'm plus 3.
Alright. You already called it though. You were like eyeball bad on
I told you what? I told you 850 for the push?
Yeah. I think you're pacing.
I think I could beat
Letting
that.
the lanes come to you.
I think I could beat that.
Yeah.
Maybe.
That.
Maybe. I had 230 that game.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try.
Alright. 860 at least. Yeah.
If I get to 900, everyone has to smash the like button.
Oh. Right? Yeah, I like it.
Right?
Yeah.
Smash the like button.
And if he doesn't, smash the like button anyways.
Especially if I get to 900.
Oh yeah.
Especially.
Oh yeah.
What up, Darren Tang? It's not TV. It's Dougie Vision, baby. All I know is that better not be cut out.
It's not going well, guys. It's not going well. I strike, he doesn't strike. He strikes, I don't strike. We're 190 over, and I have no idea where that puts us.
Probably somewhere in the cash.
I mean, if we cash, we minimum break even.
Yeah, if we get over in the bracket,
Yeah, which we are going to.
we'll win like one.
No, I don't think so.
Team bracket.
Oh, team brackets. Yeah, team brackets we have a chance. Individual brackets, we're dust. Mikey had 190, 280, 190, so he's probably out. And we're not in that many, so we don't have a lot of chances. And I had 250, 210, 250, so that 210 is probably gonna hurt us a lot.
Yeah, I hope I got like a sneak up on Mikey.
I saw 289 and 290 for sure.
He only pays a lot. He pays like $5.
Yeah, one decent game, we'll be all right, make a little bit of money, but you know, we're always trying to win, so it's kind of frustrating that we can't put it together at the same time. But we got one more game to make something happen.
Yeah.
How was your experience so far?
Experience, great. Bowling wise,
Same here.
You're not bowling that bad.
One old camp person that
Like even.
fell. And I need a beverage.
As long as you learn something.
I did. I ate some water.
yeah.
And something else.
Fuck that.
Well, we shot 400 last game for 200 over total. I don't think we're gonna cash. Scores are high as. Oh, yeah, they were high.
Do you want to play golf tomorrow?
I'm down.
Right?
Yeah.
Get with the program or get out.
Yeah. Anyways, yeah, we sucked. We sucked. We're not gonna make any money. We're gonna try again tomorrow.
He's lying. I'm gonna make money.
Okay. Yeah, that was not good, guys. We ended up missing cash by 80 something. And we're gonna go to McDonald's because we're poor now. I'm just kidding. If you want a slight expense breakdown of the tournament, here you go. Entry was $100. Mikey and I got in for $280 a man on the side stuff. And then we got back 134, man, for a negative net of $246. All right, that's it for the night. We got team event tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Greg did not get to 900, so like the video anyways, please. Like a pity like would be cool. Okay, all right, we're going to McDonald's. Bye.